Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell template on Envato Element. So selling template on Envato Element is a great way to earn money from your collective or from your creative work. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide to get started for that. So first thing I have to do is to create an account on Envato. To create an Envato account, so visit the Envato website and sign up for an account. Then from there, fill out the application form to become an author on Envato Elements. You will also need to provide some information about yourself and your work. And from there, submit your portfolio. Envato will review your portfolio to ensure it meets their quality standard and make sure to showcase your best work. And after that, get approved. Once you get approved, then once your application is approved, you can start uploading your template to Envato Element. And also follow the guideline rules provided by Envato to upload your template, and also make sure to include detailed description, tag, and quality and high quality preview image. And from there, Envato Element has a subscription model. You will earn to share of the revenue based on the number of downloads your template receive, and also promote your work. Share your template on social media, your website, and other platforms to attract more customers. Then also use the Envato dashboard to monitor your sale and earning. And that's how you can simply sell template on Envato Element. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.